ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸಚಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ವೇ
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದಾ? ಇದಾ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್.
Good morning, sir. My name is Dheeraj and I am studying in 6th standard. This model is about agriculture. Agriculture is the most weapon in our country. There are 72% of people doing agriculture in our country. These pump house, the pump house have one motor, and the motor attracts the pipe. With the help of the pipe, the water can go to this place to this
ಓಕೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
This model of city, sir, is about air pollution. Air pollution is nothing but mixed in industry, many number of industries and number of manufacturing industries, burning the factories and burning the weapons, burning the trees. These are called air pollution. And cut the trees and burning the trees. These are called air pollution. So please avoid the air pollution.
Another model.
Industrial waste water consists of water and chemicals mixed with water, and bathing and wastewater city avoids water. These are called water pollution. Water fight.
I'm studying in 7th standard. Now I am demonstrating about the hydropower plant.
Like I am studying in 7th standard. I am explain about hydropower plant.
Hydropower plant is nothing but using water we are generating the electricity. Here is generating the electricity. This is the storage of electricity and using other purposes. This is the motor. Motor is nothing but a mechanical energy get converted into electric energy.
Myself, Karandeke, I am studying my friend ITC. Our model language agriculture professor. First, we are explaining about water plant. When we are on the switch of the water plant, it comes the water to the agriculture and it is also helpful to farmers to provide the water to the plants. It is so easy and easiest thing with farmers to help to the farmers.
Good.
Good morning everyone, my name is Monica. I am studying in 6th standard in IJRS school. Talking about air pollution, water pollution and deforestation. Now I am talking about the air pollution. Air, they form mixture of gases like organic substances. Example, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. It is very difficult to for human beings breathing. Another topic is water pollution. This and dirty water. Now dirty water is very increasing in our nature. In industrial region, they are releasing very harmful substances into oceans, lakes and ponds. The aquatic animals are dead. Another topic is deforestation. This deforestation, my friend Rohit will explain. It means the cutting the trees in the forest and another.
It is used.
It is used to build purpose like table, chairs.
Good.
Thank you.
What is this?
My name is Arun. I am studying in 6th standard in IJRS University. This model name is filtration. I am taking some dirty water. I can filter this water by four glasses. One is by steps. One is dirty water, rocks, charcoal and cotton. Here we can see that dirty water goes into this. It will stops the dirt. It will comes to here. The soil will be stopped by this charcoal and will come for this cotton will be stops the dirt for the also. It can purify the water and the pure water. Finally,
Okay, thank you.
volcano.
Volcanoes.
Carbon monoxide. This volcano is very dangerous to villages, animals, plants, and it contains many 100% of dangerous temperature. When the highest temperature in the underground, its rocks are melted.
What is this?
Sir, this is water machine. When we put the coin here, the water will come.
Come out.
13 model.
The remaining is
This is
village.
Sir,
All houses.
this is shed and this is farming. Nowadays the not using animals and modern days they are using tractors that like the land pollution and the earth not remains their fertilizers and they are removing fertilizers.
33% reservation. What is this? What type of agriculture? What is this? Now we are going to explain. Agriculture. What type of crop? This is windmill. This is department of forest. This is
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್.
okay, good. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. What is this?
ಫ್ಲವರ್.
First plant
Flower. It is a reproductive part in flower. It develops fruit. Leaf and fruit. The leaf is the most important part in the plant. The leaves prepare their own food for the plant. Send to all parts of the plant. Fruit. Spread the seeds and allow the plant to reproduce. Store the fruit inside them. Function. Reduce the all diseases and all strokes. of the plant applied. In foliant tissue, food carried to all parts of the plant. Water carried from roots to all parts. This process is done by xylem tissue. Roots. There are two types in roots: primary root, secondary root. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots send water and minerals to all parts of the plant.